Good morning. Start of week 11. We are back on site. I think we should be ending the digging hopefully today. It's going to be an interesting week. We'll be getting on to the plumbing and electrics in the house. Cool. Okay, enjoy. Right, we're here at the bottom of the house. We've got a big hole, very big hole. We're going to get the generator going and then we're going to start to dig. Lekker. Right, the first rule of digging, grab a spade. It helps big time. The second rule of digging, don't break the generator. Yo, we can't continue digging without a jackhammer because this is all rock hard ground here. But we didn't get far. We probably were running it for maybe 2-3 minutes. Yeah, we're going to see what the problem is and then we're going to try to sort it out. Our generator also needs to go in for service and sorted. So it's been an eventful day with everything not wanting to work properly. We just thought maybe let's just do some downlights. So that's what we're going to be doing now. And we start with that. You see guys right up close. That one with the circle there, that's the one we're going to be drilling the downlight in. So you just measure from away from the corners, you get it square, and then you do all of your other ones off that to make it still in line with that one. Close angles here.
We go through and then we check to see that there's no battens behind.
No battens?
That's fine.
Alright, so we do that. So when we drill the hole saw in for the hole, if you drill and you hit a batten, you don't want to do that. So we just make sure that we're not in the way of any battens. Now I'm going to be using the hole saw to drill. Okay. Over here you can see there's 3 holes. One with a circle on the drill. The other 2 we hit a batten. So that's why we circled that one for the hole. I'm going to be drilling now.
Check to see that it fits.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll see.
See how close we were to the batten.
Yeah, check. You can see the batten in there.
Good move,
See
eh?
it? Nice. Good.
Perfect.
Okay, so that's what our downlight's going to look like. Right, how do I look? Am I nice and white? I am white, but I'm covered in white stuff. So yeah, busy with my hole saw and just going to go cut some holes in the roof for the downlights. So that's what I'm doing now. Not too exciting, but yeah, that's the plan. And then I'll probably show you when I'm done. Okay, so we are done. The lights in the main part of the house. I don't know if you can see it nicely. So all of the lights are done here. The downlights, the holes for the downlights are done. Yeah, then that should be the downlight holes for the house finished. Alright, good morning. So it's Tuesday morning and we are digging in that big hole that I showed yesterday for the sewage outlet. I'm not going to bring the camera with because I just want to get stuck into that. And we're going to putting the electrical wires down for all the plugs and all the downlights and everything like that. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Alright, so now at the moment we are busy by the isoboard ceiling and we are trying to fish the wire for the lights through. So my dad got that wire through out there, but now we need to get the wire from there, and then there's another light hole around there. So what we probably should have done is we should have put the wiring in before the ceiling. We didn't have the wiring there, I think. Did we have the wiring while we did the wire while we did the ceiling? My dad said he thinks so. He can't remember. Yeah, it's a real sickle. So that wire, we can't get it all the way through. So over here in the middle though, we're going to drill a hole here and another hole there. So that's the plan, what we're going to do. Okay. Alright, so we got to get the last few ones in from there to there. So we're busy doing that. But you get the point. We're getting all the wires out for... Nearly wiped out there. But yeah, we're going to get all the wires in and then that should be that. We've got these all sorted. The main power comes from there. Then it goes down to that one, across to that one, across to that one, up there, and then to this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put all the wires for the plugs in. So that's what we're going to sort out now. We found quite a cool method to use. We use this little Bosch vacuum instead of using a fish tape to get the wires through the pipes to the plugs. So yeah, I'll show you how it works. Alright, so my dad is going to put the string. What is that little thing on the end called?
I don't know.
Like an earbud.
Earbud.
An earbud. So we stick that in. You see the holes here? You stick it down the hole. Tell me when you're ready, eh? Okay. Let's switch it on. And then let's see the... You see? Did I get it there? Got it. So check, it looks like an earbud. Now we connect the wire onto this and then send it back. Easy. Easy peasy. Alright, good morning. It's Wednesday. The weather is raining here, which is very strange. So I know you saw yesterday we were putting in all the plug wires and wires for the plugs. Today I'm going to explain a little bit better where they go. But that's what we're doing. And the sliding doors and the stacking doors are coming today. So that's also going to be cool. So we might be installing them today as well. But we'll see. Alright, you ready? Okay, I'm going to pull. Dad, you need to push it. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm pulling. Alright, I've got it. Okay.
Oh,
Hey, we got it.
easy. New start, new day.
Yeah, better day. Alright. This is the wire we pulled through. So is this what all of the plugs and everything's hooked onto?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the plugs, and then the one set is for the stove.
So how we do it is what? We loop everything and connect everything to this one point here, and then feed it back.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to pull another wire through. So we've got to shove the fish tape back down, and then we tie the wire to the fish tape, and then pull the fish tape back. So that's how we roll. Let's put check. This is a lekker day. I like days like this. So these pliers are the ultimate stripping pliers. I don't know if you see there, it's got a bit of a gap.
How did that happen, man?
So that happened because I cut multiple live wires at the same time, and it went so it left a hole. But I think it almost was a bit of a blessing because check, you just put that on and you strip. Easy peasy. So it worked out well. Alright, house wiring is done. So now we're going to put all the connectors for the downlights on. Do the whole thing for 62 lights. So yeah, putting the connectors on the downlights. That's what we're doing now. So the light connects into this. This connects into the wires. All the wires go in here. Live, neutral, earth. They're all the same length. And you just pop them in these different ones. The garage door here. I'll go show you what it looks like so far and then what it will look like later. Alright, sliding doors just arrived. Yeah, but so we got the frame in, we're just going to fix the frame now, and then we're going to go get all the doors. So you drill holes, and then you put plugs in. Yeah, that's what we do. Cool, that's the day. What do you say?
Time to clean up, mate.
Time to clean up. Alright, Thursday morning. Just got here on site maybe half an hour ago. Let's have a look at the sliding door quick. Cool, so we're just doing a few tweaks on that. And then at the bottom, we're going to connect the main electrics today. And then we're going to get a digger to come and push all this dirt back into the hole and level out the front. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully we'll be able to pick up some more doors. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah,
2 rivets.
One rivet in.
So you must ask your subscribers if they know what this thing is called.
Do you know what it is?
Part of a sliding door. It's an end cap for somewhere.
If any of you know what it's called, let us know.
We've got a whole box of them.
We've got a whole box left on the sliding door. We never use them because we don't know what they're for.
You see where it dings?
So and then we drill.
Yeah.
So I should have brought my tripod. So I don't know if you heard, but the trick with drilling into aluminium is to not drill fast. You keep your fingers steady on the trigger, otherwise if you go too fast you just end up overheating the drill bit and then you blunt your drill bit and it doesn't cut nicely. So you want to almost not cut as quick as you think and cut slower, and then it actually works better. Yeah, so that's how you cut aluminium. Go slow and steady. We're in the garage now. You can see. We're going to be putting this aluminium door now over here. Okie dokie. Door is on. You check, let me show you how it opens and closes. Oh, that was nice. Looks nice.
Push that, put a brick or something next to it to keep that thing straight.
Okay. Alright. So we got these pipes in. We can fill up this hole. And we've got the digger here busy burying the pipes. Alright, so this should be the last day of digging. Hopefully. Hopefully. He is digging for that sewage outlet that we just cannot find. So he's now doing the work there. So the only thing we need to connect is the sewage to the sewage outlet, and then we're going to connect the main electrics. Okay, it's a productive day. We found it. We were again maybe 10 centimeters away. I hope it's the outlet. Is that it there? Oh. So we were just short of it. Now he'll just clean out and making the trench nicer for us. Alright, so we got some really bad news. It wasn't the sewage outlet that he found, it was the neighbor's sewage pipe. So he chopped straight through the neighbor's sewage pipe. Now this is a proper mess. So yeah, it'll be bad because if they flush toilets, it's all gonna empty into the hole. So we don't want that to happen. But yeah, anyway, eventful day. Yeah, see, check, this is the pipe he whacked. But yeah, proper problems on the building site when no one decides to tell you. They say just go dig, and that's what happens when we just go dig. It's good to let us know where to dig. Alright, I think this is going to be the last video I make of the day. The plumbing guys, or not the plumbing guys, we're the plumbing guys, the municipal guys, what's going to happen is they're just going to have to fix up their hole and get all the pipes sorted. Yeah, I think we're going to just clean the road. I'm going to buy a broom, and then yeah, that should be the day for us. Friday morning, and this should be the final day of digging, but really should be the final day. We're in the hole. This is what the council did. Council fixed the pipe. So we will be joining that pipe you see over there to here. Then we should be able to fill the hole, and all the pipes and everything is done. Let's get it connected and let's get it sorted. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We've got our rodding eye there. Point to this one, eh? Yeah, I'll fill it, and then that should be that. And then we'll be inside with the sliding doors. Alright, that is week 11 done. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video cool, enjoyed it, pop a like, and if you want to stay up to date with what's going on, pop a subscribe. If you want to see something, if you want more things explained, want me to teach you something, pop a comment. So pop a comment, pop a like, and pop a subscribe. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching. We'll check you next week. I had to dig it open and here's another marble. It's like this. Oh, why are these marbles everywhere?